Today is date, and we have a fantastic new update. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Visit 2tv.store for the best IPTV devices available. Now let's dive into how to install your IPTV device. First, select your favorite device. We recommend Fire Stick. Start by plugging the Fire Stick into your TV's HDMI port. Then, power on your TV and select the correct input. Next, navigate to the Apps tab on your Fire Stick menu. Use the search function to find the IPTV app of your choice. Once found, click on the app and then select Install. After installation, return to your home screen and open the app. Log in using your IPTV subscription credentials. It's easy. Now you can enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. Don't forget to explore all features of the IPTV app. For more tips, keep an eye out for our upcoming videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel for all updates. Visit 2tv.store for the best IPTV devices and apps. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming, everyone.